Welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to show and explain to you how you can get useful information about SAP Fiori apps, and especially if you're having some errors, that you can open up the app support to analyze some authorization errors, some SAP gateway errors, and so on. So this is really useful if you're having some issues. I recommend and suggest doing this the first time if you're having some errors for troubleshooting. So here right now we are in the SAP Fiori Launchpad, and there you can see a couple of different SAP Fiori app styles. And if we open up, for example, one app, so this one here, basically no data is being shown, but this is perfectly fine. If you have opened up one SAP Fiori app, then if we go to the top right area to your credentials or your ID basically, and then here you have the functionality app support. Of course, you're having also other functionalities depending on the context where you are. So basically there you can have more possibilities or less, but here you have always the functionality and the option app support. If you click on this, then here you first of all can get some app information like the app title, the app description, the app type, and the app version and the OData service name. So the OData service that is being used for this app, also the BSP name, the app resource, SAP Fiori ID and application component. And if you are, for example, in the SAP Fiori reference library, then based on the SAP Fiori ID, you can make some research on the SAP Fiori app at all. So if you would like to get some more information, descriptions, dependencies, and so on of this app. And besides app information, you have also here the option for front-end server. And within here, as mentioned, you can analyze authorization errors, gateway errors, runtime errors. And if here I don't have any errors in this app, but if there would be any, then you can see on the counter that you can also have a closer look on the different errors. And what is also useful here with this download logs button, you can basically download the application log. And then within here, you once again have some app information. You can see the front end overview and so on. So if you would like to share this, if you have this on an extra exported file, then this is also quite useful. So then switching, so for example, here to this system, here we are once again in the SAP Fiori Launchpad, and then we open up the My Inbox. And then here, if I'm doing exactly the same, so here go to app support, and here basically you can see that now we are in the SAP Fiori app My Inbox, listing all the assigned work items. And here you can go once again to app support, and here basically you besides the app information, you can see that there are still some errors. So here, if you go to authorization errors, then here all of the authorization errors are listed. You can also click on read more to get to the SAP One Support Launchpad to get some more information. You can log in with your SAP as user or an ID, or you can go to gateway errors, and here you can also see what is happening in there, what kind of errors are there. And once again, you can download the logs to have an exported file, for example, to hand it over to SAP Basis to investigate it further. And yeah, the app support, as mentioned, is very useful for troubleshooting, for exploring an app. I recommend doing this the first time. And yeah, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.